channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know, that global market, not only gold market or DX, but the whole world market is in turmoil right now. There is an uncertainty going on in the market, and the result is this big candle. This is a 15 minutes chart. Yes, I'm on a 15 minutes chart of gold, and we saw almost 300 pips movement on the 15 minutes time frame right after the market opening. You can see dollar slides as Fed rate hike expectations stream on Silicon Valley Bank collapse. Probably you all know by now that Silicon Valley Bank has collapsed. So as a result, there is a turmoil, there is a storm in the market. Dollar fell on Monday on heightened expectations the Federal Reserve will be less aggressive with monetary policy as authorities step in to limit the fallout from the sudden collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. The US government announced several measures early in the Asian trading day, saying all SVB customers will have access to their deposits starting on Monday. Though the bank has collapsed, the Fed has given the assurance that they will not be losing the deposits. So as a result, tomorrow's CPI will be very, very critical. So my dear friends, if you are in a very tight spot right now, you have very less capital, then this market is not for you. Just observe the market, because right now the market is very, very uncertain. Usually we get to see this type of market just before the news. Though the news is tomorrow, but you can see that already we can feel the effect of it. So as a result, okay, you can see some unexpected volatility in the market. If you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY made a low of 103.6768, hit the 200 moving average, and right now going up. Okay, not going up, I won't say that this is a trend reversal, okay, but DXY is trying to recover. Okay, but we can see that DXY broke the previous low. So next high of DXY will be very, very important, because if DXY reverses without forming a higher high, then this may be an indication that a trend reversal is coming on the chart of DXY. And in case DXY touches the previous high, then the normal trend will continue. So tomorrow's CPI will be very, very important. Till then, please be careful, because market is under storm right now. Now let's talk about gold. So 15 minutes chart. Yes, today I'm not in a 4-hour chart or 1 hour or the 1 hour chart, because on the higher time frame we do not have any clarity. We are unable to get a picture on the higher time frame. So on the lower time frame we can see that the high made by the market is this around 1893. Gold has made the high, and this looks like that market is sideways right now. I'm not talking about the higher time frame, okay, I'm talking about the lower time frame. So I would like to mention that if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then this is not the market for you. You need to wait at least till tomorrow so that you can understand in which direction the market will be moving. For the next couple of days, swing traders, positional traders, just watch the market or just shut down your laptop and just enjoy. Okay, but if you're a day trader, if you're a hardcore day trader, then yes, switch to 15 minutes time frame and you can trade. But keep in mind, risk management should be your top priority, because this market is extremely volatile and dangerous too. So right now on lower time frame, it looks like a sideways market, but you need to look at the things precisely. First of all, we can see that we have a temporary support around 1873. Listen to me carefully, my dear friends. We have a temporary support around 1873. Market has already tested the support of 1873 twice. And we have a resistance right now. Yes, we have a temporary resistance around 1893. Okay, so my dear friends, market is coming down right now. Okay, observe the market around 1873 again. Okay, in my WhatsApp group I mentioned that if market comes down without forming higher high, things would be critical, but market has broke the previous high and market is coming down again. So there is a chance that market will take support around 1873 again. In case you see market is breaking 1873, 1873 and going down, then your next support will be 1863. Okay, so all the trees are on action right now. 1873, 1893, 1863. So around 1863 we have the next support on the chart of gold for the day. And right now 1873 support is still valid, but in case of high volatility, market will break the support, because this is not a proper support, just a temporary level, okay, which is acting as support right now. Okay, so things are not very bright and beautiful. So if you see prices rejecting from below, then only go for a buy position. So 1870, around 1873, it can be 1872 as well. Around this level we have a minor support. If this support fails, then we have support 1863. Do not try to take a trade that will last for a couple of hours and hours. Try to look for a quick entry and exit so that you can be on the safer side. Because see, as a trader, we need to be very flexible. Flexibility is very important for a trader, because the body language of the market, the behavior of the market doesn't remain same. It changes from time to time, and as a trader, okay, it's our duty to change ourselves. Okay, we need to be like octopus. But I would like to mention one thing, that in case during the US session dollar drops or DXY drops, then this time there's a high chance that gold will break the level of 1893 and move higher. Okay, because you can see that it has not come down to this level yet. Okay, so if it starts bouncing from here, then things will be very difficult for gold to reverse from here, and there's a high chance that during the US session it will break 1893 and go higher. If you want to take the risk, if you have the risk appetite, if you can afford to take the risk, then you can look for a buy position. Otherwise it's better to avoid. I think if you are someone who is in the learning phase right now, then it's better to skip today and tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow as well. Okay, then you start trading from Wednesday onwards. Okay, I can do that as well, but follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. And my dear friends, okay, I would like to announce, as you all know, only 3 days left for my workshop, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. The workshop is not for complete beginners. The workshop is only for those people who have been struggling with the market for last couple of days, months and years. Okay, and the best part is that after the 3 days workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. The support, you can see 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program, means these are the benefits you will be receiving after the workshop. And you can see here, I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. This is not for signals. Okay, those who are looking for signals, this is not for you. Okay, you can look for professional signal service providers. Okay, this is for those people who wants to become independent, who really wants to take up trading as a serious source of income. And the best part is the fees is only $15 or only 1,000 rupees. Okay, so 3 days workshop for $15 plus 1 month support. Unbelievable offer. So go ahead. The dates are 16, 17 and 18th of March. Timing is mentioned on the website. If you're unable to attend the workshop during the time, don't need to worry, because I record each and every session, because traders from all around the world participate, and due to time difference they cannot participate. Okay, most of the traders cannot participate due to time difference, because you can understand that it's a big world. So I record each and every session. You'll find the recordings. Okay, no need to worry. So this is it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.